Hello guys, how iPhone overheating? If your iPhone overheating, then here are the various workaround to apply on your iPhone. And the first one is slide down and check your battery status. Your battery should be charged a maximum limit. Sometimes low battery may be cause of overheating. And also dim your brightness lever. Sometimes high brightness may cause overheating of your iPhone. The another one is go to settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and tap on cellular and here go to scroll down and disable Wi-Fi assist. If you enable Wi-Fi assist, it may causes your phone running on background and causes a overheat of your iPhone. The another one is go to App Store and make sure that all update apps should be updated. Tap on update all. Sometimes outdated apps may be a cause of overheating your phone because it is in process and on background. The next one is again go to settings of your iPhone and tap on battery settings. Here go to battery percentage, so enable it and scroll down and you will find battery uses by apps. Look for which app is consuming more battery and consuming more times. Here Roblox is consuming more battery and more uses, so go to Roblox set